Paulo, so happy at ibinandera ang mga natanggap na letters mula sa mga fanay.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past.
Tuwang-tuwa nga ang hang actor at kapamilya star na si Paolo Abilino sa mga natanggap niya mula sa kanyang mga tagahanga. Nagkaroon kasi sila ng concert sa Mati, Davao Oriental kung saan ginanap ang 40th anniversary concert ng ER Supermall at nakasama nga niya dito ang mag-asawang sina Sara Geronimo at Mateo Guidicelli kung saan sila'y pinagkaguluhan. At dahil nga ayaw ng aktor na gumagastos ang kanyang mga fans ng mamahaling mga bagay bilang regalo sa kanya, kaya ang hiling na lang niya sa kanyang mga fans ay sulat na lang ang ibigay sa kanya kasi tinetreasure daw talaga niya ito at itinatago at binabasa pa. Kaya naman, so rami ng letter na natanggap ng aktor. Narito ang ilang letter ng fanay kung saan so proud ibinandera ng aktor. Paulo Kim, The Abilinos. Wishing you, Kim and Paulo, a lifetime of happiness and love. Paulo, may your love for Kim continue to grow stronger with each passing day together. May you both inspire and uplift everyone around you, especially the Kim Pao family, with your enduring bond and shared joy. Here's to a future filled with endless blessings, cherished memories. Bambi at Tagum City. Pwede pala kaming mag-request since ayaw nyo naman ng gift, sabi ni Tita Evelyn. Sagot niya daw ang 3 black screening sa movie nyo. Hik hik hik. Sana lang daw makapunta kayo. Samantala, may open letter din naman ang isang influencer ng Kim Pao at mainit na tinatangkilik sina Kim at Paulo, si Tadashi Suzuki. Ayon pa sa naging post nito, love letter to Kim Pao fans, dear friends and fans. I just wanted to take a second of your time to say a few words to thank you because you deserve it. Words cannot describe the feeling of seeing tens of thousands of people showing up in our performances, holding signs with our name on them, showing a tone of support and going crazy to our performance on the stage. You have always supported Kim Pao in any new venture throughout our career. You allowed us to experiment with music and acting career, and you made us feel comfortable enough to push the boundaries to create music that is different and touching. It's been a great success. Your response has been overwhelming, better than we could have ever imagined. So from the bottom of our hearts, we want to say thank you. All of the success and happiness during this past year is because of your being there for me and Kim along this journey. We did this together and we will never forget that. So stay tuned as there are a lot of amazing things coming your way. Spread kindness and positivity. Tadashi Paulo Abilino, Kim Chu, hashtag my love will make you disappear, hashtag Kim Pao, hashtag Paulo Abilino, hashtag Kim Chu. Halos maloka nga si Paulo sa mga natanggap na sulat na yon na sobrang dami at natouch siya ng gusto dahil alam niyang mahal na mahal siya at si Kimi ng kanilang supporters. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.